Nandun din sa likod si Renny J, gumulong na kaagad, naka-Slaughterous Sights, Luminum Blast naman kaagad, then earthly secured pa rin dito ni Edward. It's gonna be a full-blown fight na wala dito kaagad yung ating Baksha sa likod ni Aquang Drumagon, Aquatic Dragon, ladies and gentlemen, at gusto niya pang uminom because they're chasing down H2O, and that's a Windendol Tol ng Blacklist International because they got 3-4-0 plus the turtle.
Bumilip muna siya doon sa bush. He
Yeah.
was expecting someone.
Yeah.
6 cents mula dito kay Full Clip.
Yeah, and that's the problem. Alam nila na wala na si Renny J. Ni-reveal na yung pwesto niya, inilaban. Doon nagkaroon ng problema ngayon dyan.
Wow.
And this is a minion wave, an artillery minion that they can actually juggle.
Hahayaan nila, sasagutin nila tong Club Coin Take. Inaabangan nila ngayon yung Club Coin Take.
Yeah. Kaya gusto laro iniison dito. Level 3 pa rin daw si Edward. Reset ang nangyayari. Walang... Nalilito lang.
Nagbibaitan kasi dalawang parehas may initiating
Oo,